GAF offers multiple solutions for roofing projects that call for restoration of an existing low-slope roof. Liquid membranes can be one way to extend the life of a low-slope or flat roof. They protect the roof from wind, rain, and the sun that can cause a roof to dry out and crack. They can also provide energy savings by lowering the temperature of the roof. The HydroStop PremiumCoat System includes all the components needed to restore an existing roof on site. The system includes HydroStop PremiumCoat Foundation Coat, Fabric, and Finish Coat. The HydroStop PremiumCoat System can be used directly on many substrates, such as most metal, structural concrete, asphaltic, and single-ply roofs. Before coating, the roof should first be evaluated and prepared. A moisture survey should be conducted to determine if any areas have been compromised by water infiltration, making sure to address any ponding water areas. Once the roof is sound, it's ready for the HydroStop PremiumCoat System. It's important to conduct an adhesion test to ensure the coating will properly adhere to the substrate. This also helps to determine the proper primer needed. To clean the substrate, GAF recommends the appropriate cleaner be used based on the roof surface. Next, pressure washing the roof is recommended, taking care not to force any water into the seams. Once the roof is clean and completely dry, the appropriate primer may need to be applied at this point depending on the substrate. The next stage is sealing the roof using HydroStop Foundation Coat and Fabric. It is important to thoroughly seal all penetrations, joints, transitions, curbs, drains, and walls, since most roof leaks occur at these locations. Be mindful of terminations, which should go under flashing details, not over them. Now, the HydroStop PremiumCoat System can be applied on the field of the roof. Each coat must be applied at 1 to 1.5 gallons per 100 square feet. Starting with HydroStop Foundation Coat, use a roof brush and apply the first layer. Next, lay the fabric into the wet foundation coat with a minimum 4-inch overlap at the edge and 6-inch overlap at the ends. Brush the fabric into the foundation coat from the center out to ensure the fabric is laid flat with no wrinkles or voids. Any tenting can lead to a warped membrane. Coat immediately with a fresh layer of foundation coat, making sure the fabric is fully embedded and covered completely. Once the foundation coat is dry and walkable, the HydroStop Finish Coat can be applied using a brush, roller, or sprayer. The green color of the foundation coat makes it easier to see when applying the finishing coats. For the best, most even coverage, apply each coat perpendicular to the previous coat with a minimum of 2 to 3 coats. That's the HydroStop PremiumCoat System. A simple and effective professional coating system that will give you years of protection and energy benefits. For more information on the HydroStop PremiumCoat System, go to gaf.com.